This is a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, a DVD player, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an unattended headlight warning chime, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.